Use a high duster and run it along the wall from top to bottom to remove cobwebs quickly. Start by choosing a high duster with an extendable handle and soft microfiber or lambswool head so you do not scuff paint or wallpaper. Hold the handle vertically and sweep in slow downward strokes, keeping the duster head flush with the wall surface to trap webs rather than smear them. For textured surfaces or deep crevices, use short controlled strokes and angle the head slightly to reach into grooves without forcing bristles into the texture. If residue or sticky strands remain, follow up immediately with a slightly damp microfiber cloth, wiping downward and rinsing the cloth in a bucket of clean water as needed. For high ceilings or overhangs, use a stable step stool or a small ladder and keep 3 points of contact. Do not lean or overreach. Finish by vacuuming baseboards and corners with a soft brush attachment to capture dislodged dust and prevent webs from reforming. The most common mistake is scrubbing with a dry, rough cloth, which smears sticky cobwebs into paint and leaves streaks. Use a soft duster first and only a lightly damp cloth for follow-up. Another frequent issue is using too much water that causes drips or watermarks on paint and wallpaper. Use just enough moisture on a microfiber cloth to pick up residue and dry the area immediately. People often neglect ceilings and upper corners because they are hard to see, so cobwebs return quickly. Establish a routine of checking high corners monthly and use an extendable duster to reach them safely. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we share tips like wall cleaning techniques and product recommendations. We help contractors find work by making it easy to connect with homeowners who need projects and advice.